Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at the 12 motorcycles that last forever with basic maintenance. Number 12, Honda Rebel 500. The Honda Rebel 500 is widely regarded as a machine that can last a lifetime with nothing more than basic maintenance, making it a premier choice for the 2026 market. At the heart of its longevity is the 471 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled parallel twin engine, a powerplant Honda has refined over years to be nearly bulletproof. Unlike high-strung performance engines, this unit is understressed, meaning it operates well within its mechanical limits even at highway speeds. For the owner, this translates to a motorcycle that requires only routine oil changes, chain adjustments, and air filter replacements to reach high-mileage milestones without major internal repairs. The fuel injection system is exceptionally reliable, ensuring crisp starts in various climates and preventing the gumming issues often associated with older carbureted designs. Financially, the 2026 Honda Rebel 500 presents a compelling case for the dollar-conscious American rider. The base price is $6,700. Because this model holds its value remarkably well due to its reputation for reliability, the total cost of ownership is offset by high resale prices on the used market. Furthermore, the simplicity of the chassis and engine allows many owners to perform their own basic servicing, saving hundreds of dollars in shop labor fees over the years. Overall, the Rebel 500 proves that with a little care, a modern machine can truly stand the test of time. Number 11, Kawasaki Vulcan 900. The Kawasaki Vulcan 900 is a quintessential example of Japanese engineering designed to provide decades of service through a simple and robust mechanical architecture. Its 903 cubic centimeter V-twin engine is liquid-cooled, ensuring consistent operating temperatures that protect internal components from the thermal stress often found in air-cooled alternatives. This model is famous for its low-maintenance belt drive system, which eliminates the frequent cleaning, tensioning, and lubrication required by traditional chains. By choosing a belt drive, Kawasaki has created a cruiser that stays quiet and efficient over thousands of miles with minimal intervention. The engine's SOHC 4-valve per cylinder head design is tuned for low-end torque rather than high RPM horsepower, meaning the moving parts are rarely pushed to their physical limits during normal operation. When examining the financial aspect for the 2026 model year, the Vulcan 900 offers a stable value proposition for the American buyer. The base price is $9,599. For this price, owners get a heavy-duty chassis and a fuel injection system that provides hassle-free operation regardless of elevation or weather changes. Overall, the Vulcan 900 is a motorcycle built for the rider who values a predictable, high-quality experience and wants to avoid the high labor costs associated with more complex European or American luxury cruisers. Number 10, Yamaha Vstar 250. The Yamaha Vstar 250 holds a unique position in the 2026 market as a lightweight cruiser that leverages a simple, time-tested air-cooled design to ensure legendary reliability. It features a 249 cubic centimeter 60-degree V-twin engine, which is a rare configuration for such a small displacement, providing a smooth and balanced ride that puts very little strain on the motor. Because it uses an air-cooled system, there are no radiators, water pumps, or coolant hoses to leak or fail over time, simplifying the maintenance routine significantly. The motorcycle is also remarkably light at 324 pounds, meaning the braking and suspension components are not heavily stressed, leading to a much longer lifespan for consumables like pads and tires compared to heavier touring machines. In terms of the dollar investment, the 2026 Yamaha Vstar 250 is one of the most accessible entry points into motorcycling in the United States. Beyond the low purchase price, the Vstar 250 is exceptionally cheap to insure and maintain, with many owners opting to perform their own oil changes due to the engine's accessible layout. It also boasts an impressive fuel economy of roughly 78 miles per gallon, making it an ideal choice for the budget-conscious commuter who wants a machine that will simply keep running year after year without expensive surprises. Choosing a Vstar 250 is a vote for simplicity and mechanical honesty in an era of increasing complexity. Number 9. Honda Shadow 750. The Honda Shadow 750 is a cornerstone of the last forever category due to its incredibly durable shaft drive system. Unlike chains that wear out or belts that can snap, the enclosed shaft drive is virtually maintenance-free, requiring only a simple gear oil change at very long intervals. This makes it the perfect choice for riders who want to spend their time on the road rather than on a garage floor. The 745 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled V-twin engine is famously undertuned, producing a smooth flow of power that never taxes the internal hardware. Honda's programmed fuel injection system further enhances this reliability by ensuring the air-fuel mixture is always perfect, preventing the carbon buildup and starting issues that plague less sophisticated motorcycles. From a financial perspective, the 2026 Honda Shadow Phantom is priced to offer long-term value to the American audience. The price is $8,399, while the ABS-equipped version starts at $8,600. While the initial price is higher than some entry-level bikes, the Shadow 750 saves the owner significant money over the long haul by eliminating the need for expensive chain and sprocket kits. The Shadow 750 is built for the long haul, combining classic bobber aesthetics with the kind of mechanical integrity that has made Honda a household name. Number 8. Kawasaki Vulcan S. The Kawasaki Vulcan S stands out in the 2026 lineup as a modern cruiser built around the ultra-reliable 649 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine found in the Ninja series. This engine platform has been proven across millions of miles globally, known for its ability to handle daily commuting and high-mileage tour with equal ease. Because it is a liquid-cooled DOHC design, it manages heat efficiently and maintains tight mechanical tolerances over long periods. One of the key reasons this bike lasts so long is its modern construction. The fuel injection system and digital ignition are designed to be set-and-forget components. For the 2026 model year, Kawasaki has also ensured E20 fuel compatibility, meaning the fuel system is built with high-quality seals and materials that won't degrade when using modern blended gasoline. The base model starts at $7,000. This price includes the innovative ErgoFit system, which allows the dealer to adjust the seat, pegs, and bars to the rider's specific height at no extra cost, ensuring the bike isn't just mechanically durable, but also physically comfortable for the long term. By blending sport-derived engine technology with cruiser ergonomics, the Vulcan S offers a unique path to long-term ownership. Number 7. Yamaha MT-07. The Yamaha MT-07 is a legendary naked bike that has earned its last forever reputation through the exceptional quality of its 689 cubic centimeter CP2 parallel twin engine. This motor is widely considered one of the most reliable powerplants in the modern era, featuring a 270-degree crossplane crankshaft design that provides a smooth, torquey power delivery without the harsh vibrations that can wear down fasteners and sensitive electronics. Because the MT-07 is a naked motorcycle, all the critical maintenance points, such as the oil filter, spark plugs, and coolant reservoir, are easily accessible. This accessibility encourages owners to stay on top of their basic maintenance, which is the single most important factor in extending the life of any vehicle. The price is $8,200. There are no complex electronic suspension systems or multiple hydraulic pumps to fail. It is a straightforward, well-built machine that uses high-quality Japanese components. The MT-07's popularity also means that if you ever need a replacement part, they are readily available and competitively priced, keeping your long-term maintenance costs predictable. The MT-07 proves that a bike can be exciting and incredibly durable at the same time. Number 6. A Suzuki Boulevard C50. The Suzuki Boulevard C50 is a classic-style cruiser that earns its place on this list by adhering to a tried-and-true mechanical philosophy that Suzuki has perfected over decades. It is powered by an 805 cubic centimeter 45-degree V-twin engine that is liquid-cooled and designed specifically for low RPM cruising. This means the engine is almost never stressed during normal riding, which is a major factor in its long-term durability. Like the Honda Shadow, the Boulevard C50 utilizes a shaft drive system. This is a massive advantage for longevity, as the drive system is sealed from the elements, protecting it from the grit and road salt that can quickly destroy a chain. The C50 also features a strong double-cradle steel frame that provides a rigid and durable foundation for the entire motorcycle. The base price is $9,000. This price reflects the high level of chrome and the substantial feel of a full-sized cruiser. While the initial purchase price is in the mid-range, the total cost over 10 years is significantly lower than many competitors because the shaft drive eliminates the cost of chain replacements every 15,000 miles. Overall, the Boulevard C50 is the ideal machine for the rider who wants a big bike feel without the big bike maintenance headaches. Number 5. Royal Enfield Meteor 350. The Royal Enfield Meteor 350 has quickly become a global favorite for its keep-it-simple approach to engineering, which naturally leads to a motorcycle that can last for years with basic maintenance. The 349 cubic centimeter J-Series engine is an air oil-cooled single-cylinder design that prioritizes torque and smooth operation over top-end speed. Because the engine is air oil-cooled, it eliminates the complexity of a liquid cooling system, meaning there is no radiator to leak and no water pump to fail. The engine is also counterbalanced to reduce vibrations, which protects the chassis and electrical components from long-term fatigue. Royal Enfield has significantly improved its quality control for the 2026 model year, using higher-grade fasteners and more durable paint finishes to ensure the bike looks and runs great even after years of exposure to the elements. From a financial perspective, the 2026 Meteor 350 is one of the most budget-friendly new motorcycles in the United States. This price includes a 3-year unlimited mileage warranty, which is a strong indicator of the manufacturer's confidence in the bike's reliability. The maintenance schedule is straightforward, and because it is a single-cylinder engine, tasks like valve adjustments and spark plug changes are much simpler and cheaper than on multi-cylinder bikes. For the rider who wants a stylish, reliable cruiser with a very low barrier to entry, the Meteor 350 is a standout choice. Number 4. Honda Gold Wing. The Honda Gold Wing is the undisputed king of high-mileage motorcycles, often referred to as a car on two wheels because of its incredible mechanical endurance. The heart of the machine is a massive 1,833 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled, horizontally opposed 6-cylinder engine. This engine layout is inherently balanced, resulting in almost zero vibration, which is a key factor in why Gold Wings are known to exceed 200,000 miles with ease. For 2026, the Gold Wing continues to use a shaft drive, further reducing the maintenance burden on long-distance tour. Every component on this motorcycle, from the electrical switches to the suspension linkage, is overbuilt to withstand the rigors of cross-country travel. The Gold Wing is also equipped with an advanced electronic suite that includes self-diagnostic capabilities, making it easier for owners to monitor the bike's health. In terms of the dollar, the 2026 Honda Gold Wing is a premium investment for the American touring rider. The base price starts at $25,000, while the fully loaded Gold Wing Tour with the dual-clutch transmission can reach over $33,000. For the rider who plans to see the entire country and wants a machine that will never let them down, the Gold Wing is the ultimate long-term investment. Number 3. Honda Rebel 1100. The Honda Rebel 1100 is a modern cruiser that utilizes the same 1,084 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine found in the legendary Africa Twin Adventure bike. This engine was specifically designed to be reliable in the most punishing conditions on Earth, making it an exceptionally durable choice for a street-focused cruiser in 2026. The Unicam SOHC valve train is a compact and efficient design that reduces the number of moving parts, which in turn reduces the potential for mechanical failure. For 2026, the Rebel 1100 also benefits from Honda's sophisticated selectable torque control and multiple ride modes, which help protect the engine from being over-revved or abused in low-traction situations. The base manual version has a price of $9,900, while the DCT model starts at $10,300. This is a very competitive price for a bike with this much power and technology. The Rebel 1100 is a smart choice for the rider who wants a powerful, modern cruiser that doesn't come with the high maintenance costs or reliability concerns of some other brands. Number 2. Yamaha Bolt. The Yamaha Bolt is a Japanese take on the classic American bobber that has earned a devoted following for its incredible reliability and simple, air-cooled design. It features a 942 cubic centimeter 60-degree V-twin engine that is air-cooled, which, as with the Vstar 250, eliminates the entire liquid cooling system and its associated maintenance. The Bolt uses a carbon fiber reinforced belt drive that is both extremely durable and quiet, requiring much less attention than a chain. Yamaha has kept the electronics on the Bolt to a minimum, focusing instead on mechanical excellence. This less is more philosophy is the secret to its longevity. With fewer sensors and computer modules to fail, the Bolt remains a reliable runner even as it ages. The high-quality ceramic composite cylinder plating also ensures that the engine maintains its compression and performance over tens of thousands of miles. Financially, the 2026 Yamaha Bolt is a solid value for the USA market. The price is $8,800. The Bolt is also one of the most customizable bikes on the market, but because the base mechanicals are so solid, you won't be spending your money on repairs. Instead, you can invest in personalization. For the rider who wants a raw, mechanical experience and a bike that will outlast almost anything else on the road, the Yamaha Bolt is a premier 2026 choice. Number 1. Triumph Bonneville T120. The Triumph Bonneville T120 is the definitive modern classic, and its reputation for longevity in 2026 is built on a foundation of high-quality British engineering and a liquid-cooled 1200 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine. While it looks like a vintage bike, the engine is a thoroughly modern high-torque unit that is designed to deliver its power at low RPMs, significantly reducing internal wear. Triumph has used premium materials throughout the T120, including high-grade aluminum and stainless steel, ensuring that the bike remains free from rust and mechanical degradation for decades. The liquid cooling system is cleverly hidden within the frame and engine fins, providing modern thermal management while maintaining a classic look. The 2026 model also features a torque assist clutch that reduces the physical effort required to operate the bike, which also lessens the wear on the internal clutch plates over time. The price for the standard model is $12,000. While this is a higher price point than some other bikes on this list, the T120 offers a level of refinement and prestige that is unmatched. For the rider who wants a motorcycle that is a piece of rolling art and a paragon of mechanical reliability, the Bonneville T120 is the ultimate 2026 selection. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. Make sure to like it and subscribe the channel for future upcoming videos.